Eek! I squealed in excitement.
Oh my gosh, I can't believe I said that.
Carly squealed,
I know,
popping
right?
some gummy bears in her mouth. We were both gushing over the new episode of our favorite
show, Phineas and Ferb.
Oh, what?
Chelsea shouted as she threw some popcorn.
That was so wrong in so many ways, I don't even know where to start!
I retorted to the screen as I plopped some popcorn in my mouth.
I see what you did there.
Casey smirked, which I returned with a Friday night. And like any other teenagers, we were having a movie marathon.
We did this every Friday, and
Phineas
since
and
the
Ferb
new
marathon,
episode
to
was
be
released
exact.
near the day, we decided to watch it together. Phineas Land!
Phineas Land. We both said in understanding as they showed Isabella's view of her encounter with Phineas. Our suspicion proved correct when Gretchen said, "What in Phineas Land again, Isabella?"
Oh my gosh. Ha ha ha. That was one of the best episodes ever.
Kelsey gushed as it ended.
Yeah, remember when the Fireside Girl was like, they can turn humans into flies? And Isabella was like, oh my gosh, look it up on the internet.
I replied while changing my position from lying on my belly to sitting on my bed.
Yeah, there's one more.
Candace, you're the busting type of teenager who can't do math apparently.
And we both burst out laughing. Carly was laughing so hard that she started snorting, and that made us laugh even more. Pretty soon my stomach was hurting and my breath became heavy.
That's the power of Phineas and Ferb,
I thought. It was because of Phineas and Ferb that Carly and I had met. I had declared my love for the show openly, and I soon became a laughingstock of the whole school. I became pretty lonely, and I had two guys that always cheered me up. And one of them was Pointy.
But later, Kelsey joined me, and we both ignored the others who later respected our obsession because everybody has one! So anyway, we both found out that we're not only alike in choice of animated shows, but we were also alike in almost every other way too. Ellipses. And now we're here! Exclamation point!
It's 9 o'clock already. My mom strictly told me to get home. Thanks for bailing me out on this one, Jennifer. Gotta run. Bye.
And with that, Carly grabbed her bag and ran out of my room.
Bye!
I yelled after her. She was grounded for not coming home early or something, but I convinced her mother to allow her to at least let her watch the marathon.
Flashback! Please, Mrs. Anderson!
I begged, kneeling in front of her. My voice was so sad. I could practically hear the violin in the background as if it were a movie.
We've been waiting for the new episode for weeks! And Carly doesn't do things like this! Please!
I said with my best puppy dog eyes ever. She hesitated a bit.
Alright, but no sleepover, you got that?
Yes, ma'am!
I saluted quickly, getting up. My voice filled with excitement, and a huge grin appeared on my face. Mr. Anderson was very strict, and she had let us off so easily.
And flashback! Well, time to hit the hay,
I
Jennifer!
on my bed and instantly fell asleep. I opened my eyes to find the ceiling square.
Huh?
I look around.
Wait, pink? My walls are peach! And what happened to my Phineas and Ferb posters?
As I continued to scan the room, I made a conclusion.
This is not my room!
I noticed that the bed sheet was light pink with different designs of a darker shade of pink. I pulled the blanket off me.
Oh, gosh! Exclamation points! I had only 4 fingers! Fuck! Okay, now I'm seriously losing it! I told Mom I didn't want to eat the shrimp, but she forced me to!
Darling, you have to eat it. Shrimp is healthy.
Healthy my ass! I was going completely bonkers! Okay, calm down, Jennifer! Breathe in and breathe out! Oh, that's better! I got out of the bed and walked over to the dressing table, which had 3 mirrors allowing different angular views. Each of them had a bunch of light bulbs at the sides. And guess which color it was? Yes. It was pink! Everything looked vaguely familiar, though, but I couldn't really place my finger on it. I looked into the mirror, and my reflection made me scream.
Thank you for listening to this terrible thing that wasted 6 minutes of your life. Don't get corona.